Senate Republicans trying to repeal and replace Obamacare, and that vote coming up short when the maverick made his mark. Senator John McCain, just days removed from his cancer diagnosis, stunning the chamber, turning the thumbs down on the repeal bill. It happened just feet away from Republican leader Mitch McConnell, prompting an audible gasp in the chamber.
7 years of repeal efforts have now essentially gone up in smoke, leaving a frustrated McConnell to explain on the floor.
I and many of my colleagues did as we promised and voted to repeal this failed law. We told our constituents we would vote that way, and when the moment came, most of us did.
Two other Republican senators, Maine's Susan Collins and Alaska's Lisa Murkowski, they joined McCain, crossing party lines to vote against the repeal bill.